Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the tools and taking safety measures. Disconnect the battery if the mirror has wiring so you avoid shorts. Next, heat the mirror base on the windshield for about 30 to 60 seconds to soften the adhesive so the mirror lifts without cracking glass. Once warm, use a trim pry or flat tool to slide between base and glass while supporting the mirror with your other hand. Make steady pressure. Sudden force risks chipping the windshield. After detaching the mirror from the windshield, focus on the wiring and base so replacement installs cleanly. You unbolt or unclip the mirror base with the correct driver, then press the harness release and pull the connector straight out to avoid bending pins. Once separated, remove adhesive residue using a razor and solvent. Roughen the glass slightly where the new pad will bond so the adhesive grabs. Once cleaned, dry the area fully before proceeding to attach a new bracket or adhesive pad. You position the new pad or bracket precisely, then press firmly for the manufacturer's specified time so the bond sets correctly. Many kits advise 1 to 5 minutes of steady pressure, then waiting up to 24 hours for full cure. Reattach the mirror, tighten fasteners snugly, do not over-torque, and reconnect the battery. Finally, test all functions: manual adjustment, auto-dim, heating, and any compass. If something fails, check the fuse and reseat the harness. If adhesive won't hold, use a fresh OEM-rated adhesive.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.